exercise there are. You have to make questions and then try to answer those questions. I'll be helping you along the way, so good luck. Are there many people at the bus stop? No, there aren't. There's only one girl at the bus stop. How many hands are there? There are 6 hands. How many people are there on the bench? There are 2 elderly women on the bench. Are there many people in the cinema? No, there aren't. There's only one person in the cinema. How many pigeons are there on the bar? There are 11 pigeons on the bar. How many animals are there? There are 2 animals, a fawn and a puppy. How many puppies are there? There are 2 puppies. Are there many flowers on the counter? Yes, there are. There are many flowers on the counter. Is there a cat behind the puppy? Yes, there is. There's a cat behind the puppy. Are there many people on the bus? Yes, there are. There are many people on the bus. How many girls are there? There are two girls. Is there a fork? Yes, there is. There's fork. Are there books? Yes, there are. There are many books. Is there a cat next to the boy? Yes, there is. There's a cat next to the boy. Are there children on the bench? Yes, there are. There are children on the bench. Are there cars in the background? Yes, there are. There are cars in the background. There's also a cat. Are there children on the train? Yes, there are. There are children on the train. How many lamps are there? There are two lamps. Are there people in the room? No, there aren't. There aren't people in the room. There's only a cat.